Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a BMW M4. First, begin by lightly sketching the overall shape of the car on your paper. Focus on getting the basic silhouette right before adding any details. Next, establish the main proportions and the wheelbase, ensuring they are accurate to the M4's distinctive stance. Finally, use simple geometric forms like rectangles and ovals to block out the main sections of the body, creating a solid foundation for your drawing. Now, let's refine the body lines, paying close attention to the sleek curves of the hood and the muscular fenders. These details truly define the M4's aggressive look. Carefully draw the iconic BMW kidney grille and the sharp, modern headlights, ensuring symmetry and proper placement. Then, sketch the wheels and tires, remembering to consider perspective so they appear correctly proportioned and grounded to the car. This step brings your M4 to life. Moving on, it's time to add the smaller yet crucial details. Carefully draw the windows, side mirrors, and door handles, ensuring they align with the car's overall design. If visible, outline any interior elements through the windows, like seats or the dashboard, to add depth. Once you are satisfied with all the elements, darken the main lines of your drawing to make them stand out, and then gently erase any remaining construction lines. Your M4 is really taking shape. For the final touches, apply shading to create depth and define the contours of your BMW M4. Think about where light would hit and where shadows would fall to give it a three-dimensional look. Add textures to the tires, making them look rubbery, and to the glass, giving it a reflective quality. Don't forget the metallic sheen on the bodywork to truly capture the M4's premium feel. And speaking of great finds, check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other fantastic deals. Your drawing is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.